What's up, MMA world? This is the Bama Beast, Marcus the Bruiser Brimage, and I'm here giving you my first vlog for the Ultimate Fighter Season 14, Mayhem vs. Bisping. So, a little bit about myself. I was raised in Birmingham, Alabama. Played football since I was 5 years old, so you know, Crimson Tide, Roll Tide, best college team out there today. So, after high school, I was basically like too short to continue my career in football, so I joined the military, and I've been part of the 117th Air Refueling Wing in Birmingham, Alabama, Security Forces. And how I got into MMA was because I used to watch Dragon Ball Z all the time. Dragon Ball Z is the greatest action anime cartoon ever. Don't ever forget that. And my brother, he actually showed me highlight tapes of Quentin Rampage Jackson. So, you know, those two things right there just got my blood boiling, and I knew I just had to do MMA. I got into actually training MMA through my sergeant at the 117th Air Refueling Wing. I wanted to move to Atlanta to learn Muay Thai, and he introduced me to my coach, Christopher Conley, and together, me, Christopher Conley and Joey Manberger formed this MMA group called Spartan Fitness, and they instill all the groundwork, and they're the reason why I am the MMA fighter that I am today. So after a while, after I turned pro, I had to leave to further my MMA training, and the only natural choice was American Top Team. I mean, look who they got: Thiago Alves, Mike Brown, Thiago Silva, Dean Thomas. I mean, a whole name of who's who comes to ATT and training. So that's how I ended up there. So, like my third month in training at American Top Team, I got a call from my manager, Roy Singer, from Hardcore Gym out of Athens, Georgia, and went there and turned in my packet, because this is actually the third time I was supposed to be on the Ultimate Fighter, and like they say, the third time is the charm. So I happened to get picked up for this season, and here I am now. So now I need to tell you about the fights for the elimination to get into the house. That was very nerve-wracking. Mandalay Bay, Dana fucking White. I mean, it was crazy. And you know, this is almost like a dream come true. And you know, I'm fighting at the Mandalay Bay. That's where it goes down. So when it's my turn to fight, I had to fight against this guy named Bryson from Hawaii. Very, very, very tough, skilled fighter. My hat goes out to Bryson. The first round we was exchanging pretty much. He went for a takedown. I stopped it, and then he reversed it, and was able to take me down after he reversed the position. And he kept me on my. He had my back for like at least a good minute and a half after during the first round. We got up, I switched position, threw an elbow, he got to his feet, exchanged, bell rings. Second round starts off, I catch his kick, clock him in the face, and I just start tagging him, and Steve Antagati finally breaks it up. So now I'm in the house, and now this is where the drama begins, known as the Ultimate Fighter Season 14. You're going to see a lot of crazy shit. I mean, the drama, the fight, the pranks. I mean, the pranks, these are the best pranks ever. Like, seriously, if I was on the end of some of these pranks, I'd be fucking pissed. But I hope y'all enjoyed this season of Ultimate Fighter. Dana White has already said this is the best season, so now it's up to you, the viewers, to decide that. Alright, man. See y'all later. Marcus Brimage, Roll Tide, baby.